Today I'm going to share with you a nice, sweet and tangy salad dressing recipe that I learned from my mother-in-law. It requires only 3 basic ingredients. And the great thing is this recipe does not require a blender, and because we have apple cider vinegar in it, it lasts pretty well in the fridge if you want to make extra or make it prior to a party. So it's really good and really versatile. 2 tablespoons of raw honey and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Everything is approximate. As for the mustard, I don't know the measurement because when I watch my mother-in-law make it, she doesn't measure as well. So I just came up with like 3 inches. 1, 2, and 3. About 3 small squeezes. Oh, this is my favorite mustard. It's from Migros. It's organic. The ingredients are very simple: water, apple cider, mustard, sea salt, rock sugar, and turmeric. So basically, this is the base of the sauce. This mixture itself with some sea salt or herbal salt is already very nice. I'll add some herbal salt into it. It's really according to your taste. Once you know the ingredients, just play around with it and taste it with your finger. A little more salt. My mother-in-law uses balsamic vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar. You could add some oil in it if you want. Maybe half a tablespoon or a tablespoon. Or you can skip it altogether. Usually I skip it because I prefer to wash up without oil. That's easier to clean. So basically that's it. This is your salad sauce for 1 person. Crush a garlic inside to really bring out all the flavors. It's really nice. And I also really like to add peppermint and basil into this sauce. And it's perfect. It's great for summer and spring.